Welcome, everyone. Today, we step into the year 2150 with the legendary black Mercedes Vision AVTR. Look at this silhouette. The black Mercedes Vision AVTR is not just a car, it's a living organism. The black Mercedes Vision AVTR features 33 bionic flaps that breathe with you. These spherical wheels on the black Mercedes Vision AVTR allow it to move sideways like a predator. The black Mercedes Vision AVTR has no doors. It has portals to another dimension. No steering wheel. In the black Mercedes Vision AVTR, you and the car become one entity. The black Mercedes Vision AVTR senses your heartbeat through this biometric connection. The aerodynamic flow of the black Mercedes Vision AVTR is pure liquid poetry. Notice the light signature of the black Mercedes Vision AVTR. It's bioluminescence at its peak. Look at this move. The black Mercedes Vision AVTR can walk sideways. Truly insane. The surface of the black Mercedes Vision AVTR feels like silk and looks like a shadow. Organic battery technology inside the black Mercedes Vision AVTR. No rare metals, zero waste. Through the glass canopy of the black Mercedes Vision AVTR, the world looks different. The 3D environment inside the black Mercedes Vision AVTR keeps you connected to your surroundings. It's an incredible experience.
Autonomous driving in the black Mercedes Vision AVTR is not a feature, it's a lifestyle.
Inspired by the Navi, the black Mercedes Vision AVTR bridges nature and technology. Organic battery technology inside the black Mercedes Vision AVTR. No rare metals, zero waste. Inspired by the Navi, the black Mercedes Vision AVTR bridges nature and technology. Every flap on the black Mercedes Vision AVTR reacts to your presence. Pure magic. Even the floor of the black Mercedes Vision AVTR is a statement of eco-luxury. The 3D environment inside the black Mercedes Vision AVTR keeps you connected to your surroundings.
At night, the black Mercedes Vision AVTR turns the streets into a sci-fi movie set.
Thanks for watching. The future is black. The future is AVTR. See you in the next one.